Hello, I'm Dr. Peter Martoni, and welcome to week 24. This is your nutritional intention. And as you saw, if you watched all the videos above, when there is lack of motion in a joint, that causes the joint to degenerate. And what also happens is there's this end plate at the joint. At the end of the bones. So what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to have one bone here, and there's supposed to be a nice hard surface. That hard surface is extremely important in maintaining a healthy joint. That's called articular cartilage. What that means is the two ends of the joint are nice and hard. They'll maintain a nice healthy joint space. What ends up happening when you start to lose motion in the joint is the body breaks down that articular cartilage and it gets soft, and that's what creates bone spurring. And as the joint degenerates, it gets softer and softer and softer, and you start breaking down that articular cartilage. It is also important to stay hydrated because in that articular cartilage is water and a product called glucosamine. So glucosamine is what makes up that articular cartilage. So as you start getting adjusted, as you start increasing motion in a joint, the body is going to call for that glucosamine. And as we age, we make less of it. So what ends up happening is once you start exercising and your body starts to use that cartilage again, and once you start breaking up the scar tissue within the joints, that happens through life with the adjustments, the body's going to call for glucosamine. But your body, as you age, doesn't have the resources for it. So that's why it's important to supplement with glucosamine if you have a certain amount of degeneration in the joint. Just taking glucosamine for overall health and well-being doesn't make too much sense. But taking glucosamine when you're trying to work on the joints and when you're trying to get adjusted to increase mobility, to increase joint space, it becomes important to reverse the degeneration process. So that's why I put this nutritional intention in with the chiropractic adjustments, because they're connected. So hopefully this makes sense. Any thoughts, comments, or concerns, down below, click on the Got a Question button, click on it, and look forward to hopefully speaking to you soon. Thank you.